Ay, naantok pa ako. Tapos gigising ka pa ganito panahon, no? Makulimlim. Ang dilim ko nga, di ba? Lamig pa. Lunes na lunes pa. Anyway, kung papasok ng work mo, ingat ka. Kung pag pauwi ka pa lang from your work, ingat ka din, di ba? Ayun. Ingat ka in general, okay na yun, di ba? And let's start the Monday with a... Ayun. So, yes, as a matter of fact, I am teaching. I am teaching algo trading and EA development. So, I don't teach beginner courses because I think na makukuha mo naman yun sa Baby Pip. So, kapag may nagtuturo sa inyo how to put support and resistance and how to put what is spreads, what is at sisingilin yung pagkawahal-mahal. Ayun ako. I have two courses. Number one is this one. This is EA development. So, nandito na kung paano gumawa ng EAs, how to evaluate EAs, and how to analyze yung results and tweak yung mga EAs, di ba? Actually, kahit anong type ng EAs magagawa mo after the course, medyo mahaba lang. So, this is 120 videos na around 10 minutes and 30 minutes each. Parang gano'n. May mga videos pa na 1 oras. Depende sa complication ng topic, di ba? Minsan kasi yung katulad kapag yung multi-time frame na, di ba? Medyo mahaba 'yon, di ba? Medyo mahabang topic 'yon because I need to explain yung kung paano nangyayari 'yon, di ba? Ang matututunan niyo dito is soft coding, quant analysis, and if you want to continue, there's a module here do sa dulo na will teach you how to hard code naman. So, kasi mas madaling path yun eh. Kung matuto ka mag soft code using block programming, tapos kapag napunta ka na sa hard coding, medyo mas madali eh. Medyo mas madaling intindihin, alam mo yun. So, kaya ganun yung ginawa, ganun yung design ng course, di ba? So, from soft coding, quant analysis, algo trading, so nandoon na lahat yun, nakapaloob. Then, hard coding, mas madali na yon. Ayun. Tapos, I have this one. It's called algo trading. So, what we do here is it's hyper-focused on one EA na ginawa ko. So, the EA is EMA retracement. It's a very simple EMA retracement, diba? And yung bias niya is market structure. So, ang mangyayari dito is I create an EA to demonstrate to you how to optimize an EA, di ba? And hindi lang siya actually for EA, it's for strategies because I'm going to introduce to you a system called the funnel system which is being used ng mga professional quant traders like me, di ba? Ayun, so this is being used by actually every institution in the world, the funnel system, and medyo mahirap lang siya gawin sa manual. That's why hindi siya masyadong nagagawa sa manual. Pero yun yung parang foundation sa quant analysis. So, kung gusto mong matuto ng algo trading using the EA, di ba? And gusto mong matuto ng yung quant analysis, yung basics ng quant analysis, you can go with this one. Di ba? So, it's much cheaper, pero actually, kung marunong ka nang gumawa ng EA or may strategy ka na very mechanical, di ba? This is very useful sa'yo, kahit manual trader ka pa, di ba? And the funnel system is, ayun naman talaga yung parang standard, how to evaluate strategies, di ba? How to improve strategies and how to make strategies work, di ba? So, I'm gonna be using the EMA retracement EA na ginawa ko to demonstrate that to you. And ayun, tapos of course, we're gonna create a trading plan for prop firms dun sa baba. So, libre din yung EA na gagamitin mo doon. So, if you want to use it for your prop firms, you want to use it for your personal, So, yeah. So, ayun. So, what is my credentials ba? Bakit ako nagtuturo? I've been in the trading space for the last 12 years. I've been a professional quant trader for the last 12 years din. 11 years siguro, kasi 1 year. Pakuya-kuya-kuya ka lang nun. Tapos, I've been creating robots for a very long time. So, I think okay lang naman magturo ako, no? So, ayun. Then, knowledge about data science and big data. Tapos ngayon, I'm currently taking a masteral in financial engineering in WQU. So, kung naghahanap ka ng credentials to teach, ito siguro, okay na siguro yun. Ayun, so if you want to enroll the course, nasa link ko lang yung bio. Wala pala dito. Ay, tama dito, ito. Dito. Nandito. Click mo lang yun, click mo yung bio, makikita mo na yung curriculum, yung coverage, tapos yung may doon. So, ayun. So, yeah. Kung gusto mo, go.